Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by putting the watch face down on a soft cloth to protect the screen. That prevents scratches while you work. Once positioned, locate the two small oval release buttons on the back near the strap ends. These free the band. Press and hold one release button while you slide the strap sideways. You'll feel it move when released. Repeat for the other side. Make sure to press fully. Partial presses can block the strap from sliding out. You'll take each band off one at a time, pressing the release and sliding straight lateral. Twisting can damage the connector. Once off, inspect the metal rails and lugs for grit, wear, or bent pins because these cause poor seating. If dirty, gently brush debris away and wipe with a slightly damp cloth or 70% isopropyl. Avoid soaking. Make sure everything is completely dry before attaching the new strap so moisture won't trap or corrode the connectors. Now attach the new strap by sliding each rail into its corresponding slot until you hear or feel a click. That secures the locking mechanism. Make sure the strap orientation is correct. Logos or buckles should face outward, and the shorter piece usually goes at the top of your wrist. Once both sides click, tug lightly to confirm a secure fit. If a band won't seat, press the release button again and realign. Misalignment, not force, is the usual problem to fix.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.